Welcome back, everybody. I have a sweet in my mouth.
I can't believe you're doing an intro with a sweet in your mouth.
I know.
How unprofessional. It's disgraceful.
I just can't get enough of the Jolly Ranchers. And they last ages. I've got Maddie in today, our fabulous jockey of the family. And we're going to do some flame/heart nails. Bit funky, a little bit different. You could wear them for Valentine's, or you could just wear them anytime because they're just a bit gorgeous. So let's crack on with them. So we were doing yesterday Valentine's nails, and I just don't like Valentine's nails. And I came up with this idea of flames, but the shape of the flames goes into like a heart. And it sort of comes from, I was playing around at home and we did a little video at home of me doing like drips with hearts. And I was like, oh, what about flames with hearts? Went online today. Oh my God. Joely's only done them. So JoelyOceanNails done them. It's a little bit different. Same flame shape, but slightly different background. And not them colours. But yeah, just thought we'd give it a mention because clearly, you know, got the same mind. So I've put on the 1, 2, 3 Go system from Nail Couture Max Estrada. I've got them on already, so we've got a gorgeous base to work on. They already have a little bit of glitter in, but my background, I am going to use the Kirsty gel polish. It's my favourite, obviously, because it's named after me. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's like a combination of purple, pink, and a little bit of gold. So that's going to go over the top. We're just going to do one coat because we kind of want it to be a little bit transparent. So we still see this other glitter that is in there. I'm going to base coat them first. So Maddie's got to try and do horse riding with these nails. I can just see it like riding the horse or leading the horse out with your gorgeous nails, and then all of a sudden it bolts off and it rips your nails off.
And I've got no nails left.
Do you know what that happened to Charlotte?
Yep.
It did. Charlotte was sorting her horses out.
Got a mind of their own, these have. You know, you've got nails on, so they say, right, let's do something.
Let's say be naughty.
Mm.
So yeah, that happened to Charlotte. It was Maddie's sister. So I've heard, I've not seen, but I've heard you've been on the telly. I've heard that you can see every now and then at these big horse meetings.
So when we go racing,
Yeah.
my job is
Yeah.
when I'm at work.
When I'm at work, oh my God, this girl is from Stoke. She does not talk like she's from Stoke anymore.
Yeah?
When I'm at work, yeah.
We train the horses, ride the horses, and get them ready for the races.
Yeah.
And you look after like 4 horses of your own,
Yeah.
and you take them to the races. And some of
Okay.
the race meetings are on telly.
Yeah.
So you can see you on telly leading the horses around and stuff like that.
So when they take them in that
Parade ring.
parade ring, that's it. I was just going to say that circle thing.
In the parade ring where the jockeys get on.
Yeah, so you take them out and then the jockey gets on.
Yeah.
How does the jockey build, like the jockey that rides them in the races, how do they build a bond with the horse if you're the one that's actually training the
don't.
horse? They
Well,
don't?
we have some jockeys that come in and ride the horses in the summer. Like they come in like twice a week.
Mm-hmm.
But they don't build a bond like us.
Yeah,
They
you'd
just
think,
ride them.
they mustn't need that bond then.
They just know the job.
The horses just know the job. Well, I can't feel that. That's quite sad. But, so you get all the nice bits, really, then, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get to build that bond.
And shovel the poop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and look after them from when they're babies
Yeah,
Oh.
to when they leave.
yeah. And they go to Knacker's yard.
Yeah.
Only joking. No, it's not nice, is it?
No.
How old are horses? What's the life expectancy of a
So
horse?
we have them in when they're a yearling, which is like a 1-year-old.
Yeah.
And normal people don't break them in till they're 3.
Okay.
But we break them in as a 1-year-old, and then they start running as a 2-year-old, 3-year-old.
Yeah.
And and then they just keep going on as their career until need retiring.
How old are the racehorses when they retire?
It doesn't matter.
Really?
You don't have them like plus 10-year-olds really on the flat, but over jumps you'll have them a bit older.
Oh, how come you have them a bit older when they're going over jumps?
Because they go flat first and then they go to a jump yard.
Ah, right, okay. So the horses that you train, are they on the flat?
Yeah.
So
Don't
you
go
get
with
to
jumps.
proper race them,
Like
dead fast.
at home we just gallop the horses.
Wow. So I'm going to use, all these colours are actually from the new collection, which is Broken Resolutions. So I'm going to use Charlotte, Griff and Kaz as well. Kirsty is also in that collection. We're going to do design work on the thumb and the 2 middle fingers. And on these 2, we're going to do a French of Griff. So I'm going to do that first, get the easy bit out of the way. So I'm going to start like this. And come up.
That's my favourite colour.
Do you love it?
Griff.
I love him as well. Right, I'm going to use my Lily liner brush to just neaten that up. I do like the background, how you can, you know, the 1, 2, 3 Go nails already have that glitter inlaid into that full gel tip. And then with the Kirsty over the top, it's lovely. And are there certain sort of breeds of horses that make better racing horses?
So all race horses are thoroughbreds,
Yeah.
but
What's that mean?
that's what they are, the thoroughbreds.
So that's their, like...
But people can have thoroughbreds afterwards. Like normal people people who don't work in racing can have thoroughbreds.
Yeah. At home.
Yeah.
So what's your horse? The one you have at home, the one that Charlotte's
She's a
got?
halflinger.
A what?
A halflinger. What she would be like in the olden days, she would be a towing horse.
A what horse?
Towing horse.
A towing horse. Oh, right, to tow carts.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, I get you.
But obviously we don't have her for that.
No. Got cars for that, ain't you, Doc?
But there's loads of different types of horses.
Yeah.
All different sizes.
Because I just like, you know, there's horses and then there's ponies. Shetland ponies. Shire horses.
Malabalas.
Mustangs. Don't really know any other stuff.
They don't come in green though, the Mustang ones.
No, they don't do. Just that one out there.
Yeah.
So I came off my horse
Me too.
and I was showing off in front of my friends.
I used to do
No
that.
saddle. Not even a bridle. Head collar. Getting led round. Went into trot. Oh, I didn't want to trot.
Just wanted to kind of.
Full on galloped. Missed the canter and straight to gallop down the field, butt me off. I literally held on so much with my legs and I got him by his mane like it, thinking, you dare. And I knew exactly what he was going to do. And then he butt me and I landed in front of him and he caught me with his feet as well because he had to scan to see if I had any broken ribs, but I didn't. I just got bruises from where he clipped me
Oh.
and I broke my arm. You can't wait to go back work? Really?
I hate not being at work.
That's so nice though, isn't it, that you feel like that? That's lovely.
Well, I think if you didn't enjoy the job, you couldn't do it because you have to enjoy it because of long hours. It's
Yeah.
cold weathers, it's hot weathers, it's snow, it rains.
Yeah, it's like even if it's the weather's bad, you still got to go, aren't you?
Yeah,
you still
there's
got to.
just no excuse not to do it.
Yeah.
And when you're short-staffed, you have to do more horses. So if you hated it, you couldn't do it.
And did you have to do any kind of qualification and?
So when I left school, I went to the racing school in Newmarket,
Yeah.
and I did a 9-week course.
Yeah.
And you learn how to ride a racehorse.
Yeah.
You do a lot of fitness, and once you finish there after the 9 weeks, you should have a work placement,
Yeah.
and then you go and do your job. And then when you're at work, once a month, a work placement teacher will come out and you just have to do a bit of work online but about horse ears.
Yeah.
So you just learning more about your job basically. It's all interesting.
I know. I'm just going to put 2 markings, well 3 markings out there like that. This is the starting point. On your marks!
Get set.
Get set!
And go.
Here we go. So what you want to do first of all is lay out your heart. Yes, this is an upside down heart. And then from that you can come up. So this is like your main starting point because it'll give you a really good balanced nail. So we can titivate this heart, make it nice and neat, but it looks like a flame. And then we're going to come round here. And we're going to come up, sweep out, back, and up, like this. So you see why those 3 initial points are so important, because they help you map out your design. I am going to gloss them first, just because I want
To see what it looks like.
Well, see what it looks like, and I want to make sure I've got a nice smooth. If you want to smooth out, especially gel polish design, if you use the glossy top coat first, then the matte, you get a much better finish. Top tip.
So why do you like matte nails?
I just think this design would look better in matte.
Yeah.
I do like matte nails as well. Just got to keep them clean.
How do you mean?
Because the matte, so like, you know, like your foundation and stuff like that wants to grab onto it a little bit more. So what we're going to do now is just buff. And I want to kind of show you is, if I do this really gently, can you see how you get a bit of unevenness with gel polish designs? Yeah? But if we buff gently, do not use a 100 grit buffer. This is a 120 grit buffer. It's softer. Remember, the higher the number on your files and buffers, the softer it is. 100 grit would probably just start taking off your design. So I'm just going to do this, just to soften the surface, make it a little bit neater, more streamlined, smoother before we apply the matte top coat. I'm going to give you a little bit of cuticle oil now. This is the thing. Don't be getting that oil on the nails.
Because then they'll go shiny.
They'll go shiny. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Pammy pick her up here. And literally just feed that round the cuticle there. There you are. Do not rub your thumb over those nails. Do not touch them. Do not do nothing. Because now it is my favourite time of the day. No, not home time.
No.
It's taking photos of the nails time that we put on the end of the video for you all to drool over. And I love them. I just love taking pictures of the nails. So there we are. I hope you've enjoyed this video and enjoyed all the horsey business. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok and all that shebang. And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra, duck!